Hello everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurt. Here's a weather recap over the last 48 hours, in fact over the last 72 hours. It's been one of the craziest weather patterns I've ever seen. Going with well above average temperatures, as you all know, Saturday. It was incredible, spring-like, 50s, 60s, even some 70s across the state of Montana. But again, that came with a very, very windy price tag. So record highs and near record highs across southwest Montana. Bozeman Airport, Belgrade, you can see 59 degrees, that was your high. That was a new record, shattering the old record of 52 back in 2003. Everyone else very, very close, with the exception of West Yellowstone, to their record highs yesterday. But around the state, look at these record highs. Lewistown, 70 degrees, that was a new record. Billings, Helena, Missoula, and again Belgrade. That's just a random sampling of some of the records that were set across the state of Montana Saturday for the 1st of February. Now, peak wind gusts locally across southwest Montana, just to give you a little variety of some of the weakest and some of the strongest between Friday night and Saturday. Butte had 35-mile-per-hour peak gusts, but Livingston almost 90-mile-per-hour peak gusts on Friday evening. Most of our mountain passes had gusts anywhere from 55 to 60 miles per hour, and I just listed a few there. There were a lot more reports than that around southwestern Montana. 24 hours later, it snowed, and it snowed big time. Strong cold front moved through, and so far, as of about 2 o'clock here on Sunday afternoon, these are the snow reports. We'll probably add to these numbers as we go forward, because it's still snowing in many areas. Bozeman picked up around 6 to 8 inches. Pony in Madison County, around 7 inches. Church Hill, around 3 inches. Norris Hill, around 3 inches. But west of Anaconda in the West Valley, almost 5 inches of snow over the last 24 hours. So here's the setup right now. We got a cold front that's sinking slowly southward, and it still clips much of southern Montana, so radar does show some enhanced snow bands. Winter weather advisories are up until midnight on Sunday, so additional snow is possible for Beaverhead, Madison, Gallatin, Park counties, and all the way over towards Billings, but it gets even worse the farther south you go. Wyoming is under a winter storm warning through Tuesday morning. So traveling out that way does not look very good whatsoever, because the strong winds and snow will continue to plague that area. So let's break it down hour by hour for your Sunday afternoon and evening, and still lingering areas of snow along and south of Interstate 90. It does begin to break up a little bit, not entirely, by 11, 12 o'clock tonight, but even into the early morning hours, there's still these little pockets of snow. This could have an impact on your Monday morning commute. Plan on that. Roads are snow covered and icy. By Tuesday, things will be improving. And you can see in our snowfall forecast, we could pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow tonight into tomorrow for Bozeman, maybe another 4 to 6 inches around West Yellowstone. So again, more snow is likely this evening into tomorrow morning. Now, with the extreme warm weather yesterday and now the cold and snow today, roads were very warm. So most of the roads have a thick layer of ice and now snow on top of that. So the roads are horrible around much of southwest Montana, especially east of the Continental Divide. So caution if you're traveling over the next 24 to 48 hours. Updates on the latest forecast trends for the upcoming week. More storms are on the way tonight at 5:30 and 10 on KXLF and KBZK.